combining two strings. First after first, second will be concatenated. Okay. Now operators, we will be seeing that arithmetic we have already discussed, but I have kept one slide to take the questions from my side, and you will be telling the answer, and the telling the answer will have the time limit also, that who and marks also. And then your first program, you know that I think you have done the Python also last semester, fourth semester as in TYL program. Now you are also doing in P3 Python. So your first program may not be, but according to syllabus, we will have to follow. And dissecting your program, the word, the author, book author has written in the book, dissecting your program. I'm taking that the understanding your program, whatever the statements and keywords you have used one by one. So for that particular word, it is written dissecting your program. So what each line of a statement you have written, so you will have to describe it. You will have to explain it. And then the class activities and review questions. So a string concatenation, I will have to repeat that a string can be enclosed within single quotes or double quotes. You know that. One another concept is also there, the triple single quotes or triple double quotes can also be used for the multiple line comments. One I have given, and we are calling the doc string also in Python, documentation string. So last para, you can see that if it is enclosed within triple quotes, triple spelling is mistake anyway, triple quotes, I should modify it now only because it is recorded and it will be again forwarded to you. So triple quotes. So here can span over the multiple lines and are used frequently in doc strings, the Python's way of documenting the functions. So here the question directly coming. So if I want to write a single quote like apostrophe, it is Ram's book. So how it can be enclosed? Because it will give again, it is enclosed within single quote. So if you are having something to print in single quote, then enclose the whole string in double quotes and vice versa. If you want to print the double quotes anywhere, enclose the whole string within single quote. Again, if you will say, no, sir, I want to enclose within single quote also and single quote only, and I want to print the single quote, then all the meta characters, if you want to print, it should be preceded with escape sequence character backslash. So to print the single quote, you will have to precede it with backslash. If the string is enclosed within single quote also, then also it will do. So single quote can appear if a string is enclosed within double quotes. I have written here the sentence, sent equal to Rani said, I will go for Jupyter notebook. Single quote, take care of this. Here some smart single quote appeared due to this PowerPoint. It should be like simple single quote of the Courier new font in the program what we are writing. Okay. So next slide. We will go to the next slide, Nitin N.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Nitin N.
Yes, sir.
Nitin N, please. Nitin Suraj.
Hello, sir.
Neeraj Sanjay. Who is responding me? Nitin Suraj or?
Nitin, sir. Nitin N.
Good, Nitin. I will go to the next slide now, Nitin.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. So now I have taken here that again, 2, 3 string. I have taken the first name and here first name and second name or surname. Seeing you can concatenate the string using the plus sign. So I am giving here the F name. So here to understand, the second string will be concatenated in the first string. The second will be added in the first string. And you can print it. Now, if you are writing marks 1 equal to 75 and marks 2 equal to 65, but both are enclosed either within the single quote or double quotes. So if you are printing the marks 1 plus marks 2, so it is not going to add the numbers, it will print 75, 65. So I think there is no doubt here, no, because P3 is also going on. I should go to the next slide, Nitin Suraj or Nitin N. Should I
Yeah.
go to the next slide?
Okay, sir.
Or if you have the doubt, you can pause me anytime. No, sir, I am not getting this one. Going to the next slide? Okay. So it is repeated or what? This slide is repeated. Now, a string concatenation and replication. So Nitin, and I will not have to say here that English again like the third or fourth semester. So to read it out, Nitin Suraj will read it. What string has been written within the triple quotes? Nitin Suraj only. Okay. Manpreet. Manpreet is there. Are you listening, Manpreet? So today you will be marked absent. Guddu Kumar. Guddu Kumar. Okay, let him go. Next, Gangawa.
Yes, sir.
Gangawa, read it out. What is stored in Ghana?
कुड़ी पंजाबन दिल चुरा के ले गई सोना सोना.
Okay, so that it is enclosed within single quote or double quotes. It is enclosed within triple quotes, triple single quotes. Getting no? It is enclosed within triple single quote. The string can also be enclosed within the triple single quote or triple double quotes. I have already told backslash is used as an escape character to make or literal. Okay, sentence. I work on my friend's computer. So single quote only used, but again friends to print the apostrophe S, friend's computer. So I have used here that single quote and preceded the backslash before it. Now,
Excuse me,
this
sir.
slide. Yes, please.
Sir, you said that the triple single quote,
Single quote, yes. Mhm.
triple single quote is used for the multiple line comments
Comments
and comment and
doc
comment
string. And doc is
Yeah.
string. Doc is
yes, sir,
string.
and doc string.
So
But
it is a
comment
string.
lines are ignored by compilers. So how it will be executing?
It is not preceded with the single quote, no. The line,
Sorry,
the
sir.
statement, line and a statement is not preceded. I am assigning a variable to the value.
Okay, sir.
So in contrary, I can ask you your name. A good question you have asked. Name?
Jayant Kumar, sir.
Jayant. So again, Jayant, if I will ask you how the multiple line string should be stored in a variable? Counter
Multiple
question.
line
Multiple
Yes,
line
sir.
string to
Cannot
be
be-
stored in a variable.
comment can't be stored in a variable, sir.
No, I'm not telling. Comment starts always as a first character, not in the middle. Getting my point, no? Multiple line comments you can write, no? So for that, you have given the word documentation of the string. So one, it
Yes,
is
sir.
clearing the doubt, okay? But if you want to store the multiple line strings in a single variable, then what you will do? We will use the
Okay,
triple
then
single
triple
quote or
quote,
triple
sir.
double quotes,
Okay.
okay?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, fine. And to escape the character back sequence is used here. So here in this class, in this session, I have not used the slicing the string details here because according to syllabus, it has been given only the concatenation and replication. So backslash you have taken, and here I have given that the strings are immutable in the Python. I mean, the string characters cannot be modified. So if you are writing here the Ghana 0 equal to capital uppercase G, so it will cause error because strings are immutable. You can add some other string, you can concatenate to make the another string, but you cannot modify what you have already declared in the string. So that is written in the dark. So Python strings are immutable. Now, here only, because we will have to start your first program. So that significance, first I am giving the example of that how to read the value from the keyboard. And what the value we are reading from the keyboard, that is always read as a string, whether you are enclosing them within single quote or not enclosing them within single quote. But those in what you are entering by the input command, better to say that input keyword in Python. So it is not keyword, better to say the built-in function. And Python 2, I have written it was raw input. In Python 3, it is just input. So just to read the value from keyboard, you are writing here that input, and what the message you want to display, you can display by that. And here when you are entering the name, so here directly entering the name. So here not to be enclosed within single quote or double quotes. In Python 2, it was required. When you are entering some string, you will have to give the format of the string must be enclosed. So here directly you are entering, until you are not pressing the enter, the all value will be taken in that particular variable and it is printing the name. Okay. Jayant, respond please.
Yes, sir.
Nitin Suraj,
Jayant, sir.
Jayant.
Sir.
Nitin,
Yes, sir.
should I go to the next slide?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sir, can we
Yes,
use
yes.
raw input in Python 3?
Python 2. You check that and give the one flip class. What are the Python 2? I have one documentation I will share to you. What were the Python 2 are accepted in Python 3 and not accepted in Python 3. So 10 to 20 things it will be there. You can have the flip class. I can give you one. What will be your topic?
Input method.
No, Python. What are the Python 2
Python
variables?
2
I can see
are
that here in
used
that way. The print was command in Python 2. In one difference I have given, and print in Python 3 became the built-in method. I repeat, after print there was no need to give that this pair of parentheses to print any variable or expression. In Python 3 it became method. In Python 2 it was a command. One difference I
Yes,
have given.
sir.
So now so you can ask in that way, only print will be accepted in Python 3 without followed by pair of parentheses or not. My answer is no. Okay.
Sir, what I know, sir, we can do this raw input, that it take input and evaluate the what we have given input.
For that, I have not told about the raw input. I have told about only the print. So if you want to take that one, I am not going here. The syllabus is strictly written for the Python 3. So here,
Okay.
just for your interaction, because the input was given no. So you want, but I can give one flip class, because all the things what was accepted in Python 2 are not accepted in Python 3. I cannot explain now. You can take one flip class that what were accepted in Python 2 not accepted in Python 3. One, but second part also should be there. What were the what were the functions and other, or better to say this way only, these things are only not accepted, rest of the things are accepted. Okay, Jayant?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, input and numbers, output is coming input and number, and you are writing a number, and then number you are multiplying, that's okay. So here I am giving also, after print it should be some other, the float, str and int. Here I should write replication, that is better. Float, or better to say first str and float, these three built-in functions, and int, just to convert, because we are learning the string handling. So what you are getting here, 23.3, see here. Now, what you have read here by the input, that is accepted as a string only. That is accepted as a string only. Jayant, you are getting?
Yes, sir. That's why.
So
two
that
times
part.
it's showing.
So here, this is accepted as a string only, And when you are printing n multiplied by 2, even you have not enclosed within the single quote or double quote, but by input. So it is also the straightforward concept in the C, C++, Java, Unix, Ubuntu, whatever command prompt you are accepting, that is by default accepted as a string. And it is just if you are multiplying the string will repeat the string. It is not multiplying. Multiplying the string will repeat how many times you are repeating. But when you are converting them, to convert in float and then multiplied by 2, for that reason in a string handling I have taken there to convert a string, float or integer. So like that, input your age is taken 60 here. And after 5 years, you will be of int age plus 5. So what is the significance of giving here int age plus 5? Because the 60 has been accepted as a string. So first we will have to convert an integer and then plus 5 years. So after 5 years, you will be, actually I have written for myself that 65 years. And here prompt equal to enter one simple first program of the VTU they are asking in Python, no? So last 2 years they have asked that, and IATs also. So how to take the temperature of Fahrenheit. So first you have taken the input. So input you have taken f equal to input prompt. So prompt what you have displayed, that will be displayed here, and you are getting the Fahrenheit temperature. And again converting those temperature to integer, and you know the formula how to the Fahrenheit multiplied by 32 whole multiplied minus 32 and this whole multiplied by 5/9, and it will be displaying the equivalent temperature in C. Nitin, Suraj will respond. Should I move to the next slide? Hello. Hello, Nitin and Nitin, Suraj, Neeraj, Sanjay.
Yes, sir.
I am
They are
giving.
testing in box.
Hello. Who has responded? Isha.
Some
Yes,
people
sir.
are texting
So they
in
are
the chat box,
texting
sir.
in chat box.
Texting in chat box. I am not asking you, just to respond to move to the next slide. So anybody mic is working will say yes sir, we got it, you can move to the next slide.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, please.
When
First
you give
name
Karan, sir.
Karan Sekhar.
Yes, sir. When you're printing with n*2, how do you give a space between each print? Like if you want to.
You want to hear what I have sold here. First your answer. In printing the multiple things, your expression or variable separating by comma, and one space will be regarded for comma.
Okay.
Fine. One. Your answer is there. My contrary question is there here. So n multiplied 2, you are expecting one output or two outputs?
2.
How the result will give the two output of multiplication?
So then how did
Anything
2,
you are
3
multiplying, it will give the result will be one only. Result will be one only if you are doing the arithmetic operation. Here, but a string, if you are multiplying, and these are the numbers accepted as a string, so in which way it is multiplying? It is just repeating.
Yes, sir,
And if
that's
you
what I
want to
want to
print
know.
that separate n comma n, you can give, automatically Python will regard one blank space for that. Okay.
If I give comma. Okay.
To separate the value, to separate the expression, one space is regarded for comma, 1. And second, when you are learning the Karan Sekhar first time print, and automatically print a statement after completion of the print, it will go to the next line. By default, after printing whole expression, it goes to the next line. Here, any problem between this Fahrenheit and centigrade temperature?
No, that was fine.
One girl has responded, Isa has responded. When I'm maximizing the screen of PowerPoint,
Yes,
now I cannot see your name, that which of the sound vibration is coming.
Yes,
right.
sir. That was me, Isha.
Okay. Richa, Isha.
Isha.
Okay, Isha. You have joined late today. Okay, you are getting already the 10
yes.
minutes break. Okay. So this way or that way, that what you are getting, so that certainly in a class when I will be conducting any quiz or those questions will be repeated in a quiz, so you will be easily answer and score the full marks, because this time the university has asked every action, every activity of your assignment. If they are going to increase the this credit of this internal assessment 50%, then they want the proof of everything. So everything is being recorded. Okay. So you have understood everything, and that will be again the part of your. So now operator precedence I have already told, but it was mentioned in the syllabus. For that I have given that example. And here, if you have found that if anyone, I have told in last class, you know everything, the double slash and single slash and percent and precedence of paid mass in the precedence. The parenthesis enjoys the greatest order of precedence, and then the exponentiation, and then the multiplication, division, floor division, and the percent will have the same rank, and it will be associativity of the same rank operator will be from left to right. Plus and minus will have the same rank and left to right. So the paid mass we are telling and we are extracting. It was also the university question. Here my question was 3% 10, 10% 3. It was already answered. And you know that when the smaller number is divided by bigger number, the smaller number will be the remainder. My question is here, what will be the answer of 11% 9? You might have checked it was giving 7. First you are satisfying 7 output is giving by 11% 9 minus 11% 9. Minus 11% 9 output is given 7, which are having their Python 3 online. You can check. You will have to respond why this output is given. Last class I have already told who is giving the answer, unmuting your mic today to get the full marks of today day-to-day activity. Or I will ask individually. Okay, Yasha, Yashas. I will call you Yashas or Yasas, I don't know. Yashas, are you listening me? Okay, I have not seen in the last class. Shreya Reddy. Shreya Reddy, are you listening me?
Yes, sir.
Shreya, are you taking that question? Minus 11% 9. Minus 11% 9 is giving the output 7. It is direct interview question from the first passing out batch from the big companies. It is giving 7. Why it is giving 7? Can you take that question now?
Because of the minus?
Minus 11% 9 and hit enter. Or should I show from my screen only? I am showing from my screen only. The screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Minus 11% 9. It is giving the output 7. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Why it is giving 7? That is the question. It is not like that output. What is the output? Why output is 7? You are not taking that question. Kumud Sally? Nidhi Dhariwal? Subbi Reddy? Gauri? Omkar Patra? Prakash?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Mehul Chowk se joined today. Mehul Chowk se. Manpreet last. Jayant?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello.
Manpreet, you can answer that?
What, sir?
You are sleeping
Hello.
in the class?
No, sir. Minus 11% 9, right?
Yes, output is 7. Why? If you
Don't
can't
know,
take
sir.
that question, I have not checked. Did you say that? I couldn't get it also. Why it is
Yeah,
giving
sir.
7?
I don't know, sir. I don't
Good.
know.
That is first. But respond. Isha, you can take that question?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, fine. So I will have to explain because it will be
Sir,
not.
Is it
sir,
because it's
sir.
Anyone?
It's Gauri.
Gauri.
Sir, I'm not sure if this is the answer, but is it A minus N into floor of A by N?
I am telling in another way. It is not like that what you have told. So here, this question, the 5 years back, that IITians has asked a question, and I have talked to the developer Bosum also. So he has given the reply, because another programming language it is not giving. Only it is giving in Python and R. You will be surprised to know this output is given in Python and R only, not in, because they have differentiated this modulus operator or remainder operator. So it was asked in that way, because simple answer, first answer, how to explain the answer, then the discussion, then the debate. So what is the next multiple of 9 after 11? Gauri. Gauri, what is the next multiple of 9 after 11?
12.
Multiple of 9.
Oh, multiple of 9, 18.
18 minus 11 is 7. Next multiple of 9 after 11 is 18. So 18 minus 11 is 7 is the answer, just to find the correct answer. Now, debate. Because we have learned up to now that it is 11% 9 is giving the 2, because the 2 is the remainder. Okay. So first it is given in that way, so that what the logic they have applied to give the answer. What is the weekday today, Gauri? What is the weekday today?
Monday.
Monday. In number? Again, you may ask, sir, if you are counting the weekday from Sunday, then it is 2. If you are counting the weekday from Monday, it is 1. Okay? Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if I am counting the weekday from Monday, it is 1. If I am counting, then it is counting from Sunday, then it is 2. If I am asking you, what was weekday 20 days back? How will calculate fast? What was weekday 20 days back? So because seven days are in a week, so you are dividing that. If you're asking you that what are the weekdays after 20 days, so okay, today is the 1. So okay, 1 plus 20, 21. So 21% is 7, 0. So it will be Sunday. And if I am asking what was the weekdays 20 days back, then okay, 1 minus 20, because today is the weekday 1. So it is minus 19. So minus 19% 7 will be what? So what is the next multiple of 7 after 19?
14.
21. So 21 minus 19 will be 2. So you can say, sir, it was Monday, Tuesday, sir, Tuesday, it was Tuesday. So being the computer engineer, I repeat, I will repeat once more if you want to repeat. So this question was given to differentiate the modulus operator and remainder operator. Up to now, we have learned, you have learned the remainder operators and calling them the modulus operator. The math professors debated with the programming development world that your remainder operator and modulus operator both are not same. For that, in MATLAB, they have given the 2 functions for finding the modulus operator MOD and finding the remainder operator REM. So when you will find, but here it is working when you are giving the negative value. So it is computing in that way. I have given the logic. So if anyone asks you what were the weekday 20 days back, if today is the weekday 1, so 1 minus 20 minus 19. So okay, what is the next multiple of 7 after 19? 21. So 21 minus 19, so it is 2. So Monday, Tuesday, sir, Tuesday, 20 days back it was Tuesday. And that is the, and rest of the things you know. I will go to the next slide, Gauri.
Yes, sir.
So now you can say me the Gauri, what will be the minus result? Minus 14% 8.
2.
I have asked Gauri. Okay, Gauri, for next again. Minus 9% 4. No, if you are checking on this cell prompt, then you can answer well. You will have to take by my formula. Next multiple. And then just subtract that. one thing. And one more thing you can elaborate, that if you are using that particular of modulus operator or remainder operator, Karan Sekhar, if you are responding, so what is the sign of divider that will appear in the result? Sign of dividend will not appear. Hello?
Okay. Okay. So sign
Sign
of divider.
of divider, whether both are having the negative sign or not, that is not. Sign of divider will appear in the result.
Okay. Okay.
Fine. Because needless to ask again, you Karan Sekhar or anyone can check, then what will be minus 11% minus 9? Check that.
-7.
Minus 11% minus 9. Check and answer.
-2.
Minus 2. Again, it is following the remainder operator.
Remainder
Good.
operator,
Who has
yeah.
told minus 2? Who has told
Vidya.
minus 2? Girl. Certainly the boy will not have the girl-like sound. Who has told?
Vidya, sir.
Vidya. Vidya. How are you,
Yes, sir.
Vidya?
I'm fine, sir.
Good, good. So now I think it is the time only for that. Okay, we have the time 15 minutes more. So that your first program, because I know that here I will not have to take the more time, because you understand, only I will have to say that in which way you are running the program in Python. So to get the value from the user through the keyboard. So you are writing that first one message, hello lovely students, I love you all. What is your name? You are printing, and my name equal to input. So automatically the cursor will wait there. What is your name? Because print statement you have given, it will be directly go to the next line, and you are giving here what is your name. So the author might have given his name, AI or artificial intelligence, or what is the name of the author of your textbook. But only some text I have changed, that what he has written, but name I have taken with regard what he has entering. Okay, it is good to meet you plus my name. So here, so if you want to see here, to print a string, and if you want to give the comma, you can give comma here, no problem, and plus my name. Directly, you can directly write comma my name also. So that will be displayed. It is good to meet you. And the length of your name, len function giving the length of the string. It will be counting the blank also if the string is having any blank. And what is your age? Ask for their age. So the 4 and my age equal to input. So you will be here. How it is converting? My age int, and again using here plus because it is a string. So it does not want to give any regard for the comma and a space. So it will be displayed. You will be 5 in a year. So because when you are separating the value by comma, the output will be also displayed separating them by comma. For that reason, so that we don't want to give, I want to give a like complete sentence. So they have used plus, and here they have taken care of one space converting to the integer, but plus will be printing only the string, because when you are printing the string with numeric value, again it will give the error. So converting the age into integer, I don't know what is required, because the input is taken as a string, just he can print the my age, because age is not to be calculated here. So no need to convert in int also. To run and save, first to run, save the program and then press the F5. And from shell, I have given one my tip, how to run a Python program from your Python shell, not from the operating system shell. Operating system shell, if you are executing in Ubuntu, then you are writing Python and then your program name followed by, path followed by program name. Directly from the Python prompt, you can give exec for execute, opening the file and reading and following the rules of parenthesis here, and then your program will be executed. We'll go to the next slide. Next slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Dissecting your program, that what you have already, I have already dissected the what is the meaning of the input and others. I have written len function, str, int, and float function. I have already described. So there is no need to stay on this slide, because in topic in the syllabus it is mentioned. that what you have written the program, just dissect. We are also calling sometimes scan and explain. Manually scan what you have written in your program and explain those expressions, statements. And now here is the question. So you can take that the class quiz also. So here I will be asking individually, and because everybody can check on their system and they can answer. So I'll be asking individually by taking your name, and those names are only expected to answer. Nobody other supposed to answer that question. And those names, if their mics are not working, they will be writing in the chat box. I will be taking care of time, that what time I have asked the question. So here, str0, what will be output? Nidhi Dhariwal.
It will be, I think, 0, sir.
Zero. Zero like number or a string?
Like a string.
So 0 will be enclosed within single quotes or double quotes?
Single quotes.
You will have to say like that. Okay, no problem. Double quotes also you will say. I will not deduct the mark. Nidhi Dhariwal, again the same, similar looking girl. Nidhi Dhariwal. Manu Smriti. Manu Smriti. You are taking this question number 5. INT of 1.25. If
Yes, sir.
Manu Smriti, INT of 1.25.
So it will be 1.
1. You are taking more time. Manu Smriti, for one more question. Again, INT of their single quote, it is given 99.99.
So it will be 99.99.
99.99. So I will not say wrong or right. I am transferring this question to Manpreet. 3 seconds over Manpreet. 99.99 is enclosed within single quote. Output.
It's a string, sir. 99.99.
But I am trying to convert in integer.
99, sir.
Wrong. Both wrong. Because it is not some integer number is given. So it is floating point number. So 2 jobs it will not do. 2 jobs it will not do. It will have to convert floating also and a string also to integer. It will not do. So it will cause an error. So now,
Okay, sir.
because everybody might have checked. Anyway, some equality test operator. Equality test operator. Nitin N will take that question. Nitin N. 40t double equal to 42.0. True or false? You are going to break the shell of Python 3. P3 programming is also going on, no? Nitin N. P3 TYL is also going on, no? Nitin N is not knowing, not responding. P3 Python is also going, Isha?
Yes, sir.
So here you will face that question. Isha, you will take that question, but time is over because
So
you
it
have
should
got
be false.
false. Okay, intensely you are telling false, or you have checked it, it is false?
No, sir. Like the first one is string and the
Integer,
second value
first-
is something else. So,
I have asked
when
about
it
the
will
12th
compare, it will
question.
be false.
I have asked about the second. Here, 42 double equal to 42.0. 12th question.
So then also false because the int and
Integer
float
and
value.
float. No, it will be giving true because both are number, no? Their species are same, whether it is boa or anaconda or python. Encouraging humor also. 42 double equal to 42.0. Why the math will give false? Both are numbers. Here 42.0 double equal to 0042.000. It will also give true. So 12 and 13 also will give true, and the slide will be uploaded to you also to check that and prepare for you that the first round of the quiz. In class activity, I have kept the 2-3 questions also. Unmuting your mouse. Who is taking to unmute your mouse and say the answer? Minus 11% 9 I have told. So it is open to all. The output of the first,
16, sir.
who has told name?
Sir, 16.
Prakash.
Hello?
Prakash.
Prakash. Now, Isa, you check it whether it is correct or not.
Yes, sir.
It is correct. Now, Prakash, coming back to you, that
sir.
explain your output.
So first, we check the parenthesis by the Fermat's rule.
Okay, okay.
So
5
you look
minus
at
1, 4.
yeah, 4. Then there are double parentheses on the right
Yes,
side.
yes, go ahead. Which will be computed first?
The inside bracket, inside
Okay,
parenthesis.
okay. So 7 plus 1, 8, divided by 3 minus 1, 2.
2, yes.
So
And
that
that
8 divided by 2 will be 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. Now, Isa, you can take that question. Alice multiplied by Bob. No, time out. Both the strings one string can be repeatedly multiplied 2 times, 3
Sir,
times.
error.
Error is the answer. One string can be directly multiplied 2 times, 3 times to repeat the string. But one string cannot be multiplied by other string. Okay. So the session is over now. Enjoy this session. I have also enjoyed. Now I will stop the sharing. Stop sharing the screen, and then I will be interacting few students just to check their presence in the classroom, whether they are present or not. Nikita Ishwarna, it is there already. So I want checking. Ajan is not there today again. Ajan absent. Okay. Guddu Kumar. Either you chat in the chat box. Guddu Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Guddu Kumar is present. You have not responded at the time of day to day. Marking will be less for you, Guddu. Okay. Guddu is present. No problem.
Sir,
So now,
mic is not working.
now mic is working, no?
Yes, sir.
Let it be working. Let it be working at the time of attendance or roll call. Okay. Rishabh Mohan.
Present, sir.
Rishabh, show your face, Rishabh. I will have.
Sir,
Camera is
camera
not
is working.
working. So last class you were present, Rishabh? Okay,
No,
so
sir.
today I have given the attendance on that day, so today I will unmark your attendance. Anyway, Ajan is not there, only one I am marking, Ajan. And Sampada, no. Kritika is already there because names are already appearing, 62 students, but strength is 67, 68, no. And I don't have the time to mark all the attendance taking here. I will see that how it can be recorded also. Anyway, a recording is there. By that recording, I will be seeing that attendance again. Okay. So I'm scrolling, and by the recording, I will see the attendance for all. Now it is the time that you can start to quit the class session 5 minutes earlier.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, recording is going on. I love you all. Take care.
Take care, sir.
Hardik, I have not asked today any question. Harsha, I have not asked. Hardik, Harsha, Harsdut. Hardik, Harsha, Harsdut. So next class, I will be taking these 3 H names. Okay. Anyone asked to something? Vidya is there?
I want to ask. Yes.
Okay, Vidya.
How can we multiply 2 strings?
How we can?
Multiply the same strings twice.
So you will have to write Vidya multiplied by 2.
Okay, 2. We have to use a number.
Yes, 2 times. Yes. If you are giving 20, Vidya will be printed 20 times. Vidya will be having the 20 repetitions. Vidya, 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 Vidya.
Okay.
You check it now?
Yes, sir, I'm checking.
Check it now and tell me.
Yes, sir.
Enjoy.
There is no space, but together it's printing twice.
Yes. If you are giving in Vidya a space, then a space will be also there.
Okay.
In a
space-
string, if you
okay,
are giving one a space, the
Okay.
space will be also part of that string, and that also will be there in the repetition of name.
Yes.
If you are giving the Vidya space Sinha, so Vidya Sinha will be printed 2 times or 20 times. How many times you are repeating?
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste to your parents. Stay safe. All have
Sure.
marked their attendance. Now can I stop recording?
Yes, sir. So I have one small question, not
Good.
related to the subject.
Yes.
This P3 Python is the TYL class, right? And ADP is the subject.
So that, yes. So that we have already started last year. Then each semester that your programming skills TYL classes will happen separately. Whether it is the C++, C, data structure and Python. And the CA student will have to go up to the P3, means advanced level of Python also. And again in the 7th, 6th, 7th semester, you will have to go for the P6, whether you are selecting the big data analytics or the machine learning or what other subject, web stack development. This programming level will be hiked and that is the additional training. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Thank
do
you.
well because subject is also going on. P3 Python is also going on. Enjoy both.
Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Stop recording.